everyone. I'm Margot from Wellington Library. Today's Maker Monday is going to be using our Book Week Week 3 craft set that you have hopefully picked up from the library. And we're going to be making this beautiful giraffe. And this giraffe is inspired by one of our Book Week finalist books, Bev and Kev. Bev and Kev is the story of Bev the giraffe. Bev is tall. All of the other animals are always telling her so. She wishes she could find her place in the world, so she sets off to find it. Then she meets Kev. Kev is small and might just be the friend that Bev has been waiting for. Bev and Kev is a heartwarming tale about learning to love yourself and the value of a true friend. Let's get started with our giraffe. Okay, so let's have a look what you'll find inside your green craft pack. There's a numbered base background, 2 sticker sheets, 2 googly eyes, and most importantly, your instruction sheet. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the instruction sheet, and we're going to grab the first sheet of stickers. It's really important to have the stickers up the right way. You need to have them the same way as they appear here on your instruction guide. So look closely at your shapes and make sure that you've got the shapes in the right direction. If not, just turn your sticker sheet around until it matches your instruction guide. These stickers can be just lifted up off the sticky backing. If they're a little bit difficult to get up, you might need to put your nail underneath them. Otherwise, you can grab something like a skewer to use and just pop that under the corner. So we're going to start with sticker number 1. If you have a look on your instruction guide, here's sticker number 1, and you can see that it matches the shape right here in the corner. So let's lift up sticker number 1. Now the tricky part is to find the spot where this particular shape goes on your numbered base background here. And I can see sticker number 1 sits right there in the middle of the giraffe's face. And simply give it a little push and it's stuck in place. Let's go to number 2. Sticker number 2 is right next to sticker number 1. Now we need to find the shape on your sheet that matches sticker number 2. And if you have a look up here, there's number 2. So keeping the shape, matching the shape on the sheet, it's in place. Moving on now to sticker number 3. Keeping it exactly the same direction as you took it off your sheet. And here we go. Number 3 fits perfectly. Let's just try one more now, sticker number 4. This one's a little bit different colour. It's also a different shape. So again, we're looking for sticker number 4 on your sheet. There's number 4. Do you think it's starting to look like a giraffe yet? So just keep following your instruction guide, peeling your stickers off in order and sticking them onto the matching number on your sticker sheet. Here we go. Here's our completed giraffe. And doesn't he or she look absolutely fantastic? Look at those googly eyes. Thank you for joining me on Maker Monday. Hope to see you soon. Bye.